everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1970 Chevrolet C10 short box. Pretty little truck, guys. Good, solid, straight body. It's got beautiful Tuxedo black paint on it. You can see the all-new oak bed. I love the Hounds Tooth interior. Good running little 350 small block underneath the hood, 350 trans, 12 bolt rear end. Good clean truck, guys. I mean, nice and flat down the sides. It's got a set of 15-inch chrome GM Rally wheels on it with the flat caps. Good sounding chamber dual exhaust. Love the cowl hood. Chrome and stainless is nice on the truck. It's a recent body up restoration. And man, everybody's hunting for these old pickup trucks. And this would be the first one we've had in a while that's less than 40. Heck, most of them are 50 now. Glass is not a little scratch there from your windshield wiper. I love the Hounds Tooth. Again, all new oak bed. Really nicely done. Pretty paint, man. One thing about something, if you're going to paint it black, it better be straight. I saw, yeah, we'll touch up mark here. Nice and straight down the sides. I like the chrome rallies. I think those are 15 by 8. We got some weather rolling in our way. That's no fun. So I'm rushing a little bit, guys. I'm going to get stormed on. Yeah, I like the chrome rallies with the flat caps. They look good. Front disc brakes. Again, just good running 350. See, it's got a 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. Does have headers. Aluminum water pump. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Accel HEI distributor. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. And again, just hits the road real nice. Good looking truck too. I mean, it just, you can see they powder coated the inner fender wells. They did a nice job on those. But it hits the road good. Yeah, look at the paint. Pretty paint. I didn't see a whole lot of touch-up marks. You can see one there, and then I showed you that one on the tailgate. But paint's really slick. I feel like this weather's moving in quick here. We're going to have to pick up the pace here. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Door handles are really nice. You can see the door skins are nice and clean. New carpet. New sill plates. Love the Hounds Tooth interior. It's got an aftermarket sport wheel. 81,917. That's supposed to be your original miles. It's got an aftermarket tack and gauges. Pioneer radio, padded dash. Again, it's a chamber dual exhaust, 12 bolt rear end. Not a big old monster gear either. Tailgate does function. So nice and clean underneath, as you'll see by the pictures. Truck's solid. darkening by the second on here. That's just a little wax we missed, guys. Again, those door skins are nice and clean. You have probably heard me say that a million times, but I love Hounds Tooth in a truck. I just like Hounds Tooth. I think it's super cool in a truck. Can to it. Handprints all over it. That really runs out good. Good sound. Tach works. Oil pressure gauge works. Fuel gauge works. The doors open and close real nice. Backup light, just went past it. Backup lamp. You see backup lights do work. Give a little rev. Radio works. You got it on. Oh, you're on a different function. There you go. Radio does work. I don't know if we're getting any sound. I don't know if the voltmeter's working. Temp gauge works. Oil pressure gauge works. Everything opens real, closes real nice. Updated the headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.